Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So as you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your device just by swiping. This is it. And now we will add some screen protection. Let's open the settings at first, then scroll down, find and select biometrics and security, and then go to fingerprints. So if you would like to add your fingerprint, just click on continue, and at first you have to pick some backup that can be used to your fingerprint. It can be either pattern, pin code or password. Let me choose pattern and just draw the unlock pattern that can be used. Tap on continue and draw it one more time and click on confirm to save it. And now it's time to turn your device around and add your fingerprint. So let me show you where the sensor is. So here it is on the back cover of your phone, right here, and you can just tap and lift your finger to add your fingerprint. So as you can see here, you've got the progress. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Click on done to finish the whole process, and now you can try it out. So if you click, you will be able to use this fingerprint to unlock your phone. So as you can see now, it's locked and you are not able to unlock it without this pattern, but you can pick fingerprint, and obviously if you will borrow someone your phone, you can smoothly unlock it with this pattern. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate screen protection in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.